Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for the Trinity B1 exam and feeling nervous, remember this clearly. Trinity B1 does not test your intelligence, it tests your preparation and structure. Today, I will show you a full mock exam from Part 1 to Part 2. You will see realistic examiner questions, safe B1 model answers 2 to 4 sentences each, natural linking between topics, and examiner tips at the end. Prepare your notebook. Listen carefully. Let's start.
Good morning. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Samchai Suda.
Nice to meet you, Samchai. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from originally?
I am from Thailand. I grew up in Bangkok, which is a large and busy city. I moved to the UK about 4 years ago.
Where do you live now?
I live in Portsmouth in the south of England. It is a coastal city, so I can see the sea and enjoy fresh air. I like living there because it is quieter than Bangkok.
What topic have you prepared today?
My topic today is my hobbies. I have prepared 5 points: gardening, swimming, yoga, knitting for charity, and cooking.
Why do you enjoy gardening?
I enjoy gardening because it helps me relax after work. I spend time planting flowers and small plants. It makes me feel calm and peaceful.
Where do you usually do gardening?
I usually do gardening in my small garden at home. Sometimes I also grow herbs like mint and basil. I use them later when I cook.
How often do you do gardening?
I usually do gardening on weekends. If the weather is good, I spend a few hours outside. It is a good way to enjoy fresh air.
Did you like gardening when you were younger?
Not really when I was young. I became interested in gardening after moving to the UK. Now it is one of my favorite hobbies.
What do you like most about gardening?
I like seeing plants grow slowly. It gives me a feeling of achievement. It also makes my garden look beautiful.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I enjoy swimming very much. It is a good exercise and helps me stay healthy. It also helps me relax after work.
Where do you usually go swimming?
In summer, I often go to the beach in Portsmouth. It is a stone beach near the sea. Many people go there to swim or relax.
Do you usually go alone or with friends?
I usually go with friends. We swim, talk, and enjoy the sunshine together. It is always a very happy time.
Why do you practice yoga?
I practice yoga because it helps me relax. My job can sometimes be tiring, so yoga helps reduce stress. It also improves my balance and flexibility.
Where do you usually practice yoga?
I usually practice yoga at home. Sometimes I follow online videos to learn new movements. It is very convenient.
How often do you practice yoga?
I usually practice yoga 2 or 3 times a week. I often do it in the evening after work. It helps me sleep better.
Did you start yoga in Thailand or in the UK?
I started yoga after I came to the UK. A friend recommended it to me. Now I really enjoy it.
What do you like most about yoga?
I like the calm feeling after practicing. It helps my body and my mind relax. It is very good for my health.
When did you start knitting?
I started knitting about 2 years ago. A friend taught me during the winter. At first it was difficult, but now I enjoy it.
What do you usually knit?
I usually knit small scarves, hats, or blankets. They are simple but useful items. I enjoy making them.
Do you knit for yourself?
Sometimes I knit for myself or friends. However, I often knit for charity organizations. It makes my hobby more meaningful.
What do charities do with the knitted items?
Some items are given to hospitals for children. Others are given to people who need warm clothes. I feel happy helping others.
Do you knit alone or with other people?
I often knit with friends. Sometimes we meet and knit together while chatting. It is relaxing and enjoyable.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love cooking very much. I often cook Thai food at home. It reminds me of my country.
What kind of Thai food do you usually cook?
I I often cook Thai curry and fried rice. Sometimes I also cook spicy soup. My friends enjoy trying Thai food.
Where did you learn to cook?
I learned cooking from my mother. When I was young, I watched her prepare meals. Later, I started cooking by myself.
Do you prefer cooking alone or with friends?
Most of the time I cook alone. However, when friends visit, we sometimes cook together. It becomes a fun social activity.
Please ask me a question about hobbies.
What hobbies do you enjoy in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books and going for long walks. Reading helps me relax and learn new things, while walking is a great way to stay healthy and clear my mind.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music almost every day. It helps me relax after work. Sometimes I listen while cooking or knitting.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I usually listen to pop music and relaxing music. Sometimes I also listen to Thai songs. They remind me of my home country.
When do you usually listen to music?
I often listen to music in the evening. After work, I like to relax at home with music. It helps me forget about stress.
Do you prefer listening to music alone or with friends?
Most of the time, I listen to music alone. However, when I meet friends, we sometimes share songs. It's a nice way to learn new music.
Do you ever go to live music events?
Not very often. Sometimes there are small music events in Portsmouth. If I have time, I like to go with friends.
Please ask me a question about music.
What kind of music do you enjoy listening to?
I enjoy listening to classical music because it helps me relax. What special occasions do you celebrate?
One important celebration is Songkran, the Thai New Year festival. It usually happens in April. Families gather together to celebrate.
What do people celebrate Songkran in Thailand?
People clean their homes and visit temples. Many people also pour water on each other in the streets. It is a fun and exciting tradition.
Do families spend time together during this festival?
Yes, families usually spend a lot of time together. People visit their parents and grandparents. It is a very important family celebration.
Do you celebrate Songkran in the UK?
Yes, but in a simpler way. Sometimes Thai communities organize small events. It helps us remember our culture.
Do you celebrate any British special occasions?
Yes, I sometimes celebrate Christmas with friends. We eat together and exchange small gifts. It is a warm and happy time.
What do you enjoy most about special occasions?
I enjoy spending time with friends and family. People feel happier during celebrations. It creates good memories.
Please ask me a question about special occasions.
What special occasion do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy celebrating Christmas because it is a joyful time for families. Thank you. The end of the test.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Examiner tips. Now let me explain some important tips from an examiner's point of view. These tips can help you pass the Trinity B1 speaking exam. Tip 1. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. Do not give very short answers. Bad example, yes, I like music. Better answer, I like music because it helps me relax. I often listen to music in the evening. 2 or 3 sentences are perfect for B1 level. Tip 2. Always add a reason. Examiners want to hear why. For example, I enjoy swimming because it helps me stay healthy. I like cooking because it reminds me of my home country. Reason equals stronger answer. Tip 3. Show your feelings. Simple feelings help your score. You can say, I feel relaxed. It makes me happy. I really enjoy it. For example, I enjoy gardening because it helps me relax. It makes me feel peaceful. Tip 4. Use simple linking words. Linking words make your English sound more natural. For example, usually, sometimes, because, however. Also, for example. Example answer, I usually go swimming in the summer because the weather is warm. Tip 5. Give small details. Details make your answer more interesting. Example, I go swimming at the beach in Portsmouth. Many people sunbathe there in summer. Simple details show your vocabulary. Tip 6. Ask the examiner a question. In Part 1 and Part 2, you must ask the examiner a question. For example, do you enjoy listening to music? Or what is your favorite festival? This shows you can communicate naturally. Tip 7. Stay calm. Many candidates feel nervous, but remember, the examiner wants to help you show your English ability. Speak slowly, think before answering, and stay confident. You are already living in the UK and you have overcome so many challenges. Every day you work hard, take care of your family, and handle your responsibilities. This exam is just a small step. If you bring your confidence with you, you will definitely pass. Good luck with your exam. You can do it.